That thing is humongous. My arms are so sore from doing push-ups.
That wasn't even a lot of push-ups.
What, 50? Yeah. But I was trying to do them without stopping.
Yeah, but you stopped.
And you didn't even count the ones I did before that.
So I didn't even notice you were.
Oh, look at that. Those things look ugly. Look at that. Why?
Okay, well, everyone is checked in.
Everyone called you? You got missed calls or something?
No, I got text messages.
You want to go inside, bro?
He said 15 minutes after.
Look at that.
Hold on, let me text my... Let me go Wang. Wow.
No, it's just we were looking for you earlier.
We can go in.
Sorry, Dallas.
Oh, wait.
Travis, go to the back.
Oops, sorry. Exit. Right there.
Dallas. Dallas.
Bills, flag.
It's all everything.
The pilot.
What?
The cockpit.
You're gonna go up?
Nah, I'm cool. It's gonna take forever to go up there.
Oh, and take
Long
that
line.
with
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
as soon as these guys go by.
These can also be in this hospital.
Why you thought that I was...
Sorry.
I thought I lost you. So this is what it's like coming home out of a AC-1.
Imagine running out of this, like, ready for battle. Bro.
Now it smells like barbecue. I'm hungry now.
I would eat my Subway.
Oh.
Yeah.
Got a
Pause.